She definitely knows how mice are supposed to be. Look, she's about to get it. Get it. She likes mice better than fish. Look at her. Because she's caught so many mice. Oh, oh. Silly and Killy.
I made the tablet fall.
Go get him. Go get him.
You're so good at catching
Wow.
fish.
She caught all the mice. They keep coming because they reproduce so fast. Okay, it's peeking. Trying to sneak through. Oops.
You almost got it.
I almost got it.
They're killing.
It's so close.
Oh. She's like, oh my god.
Yeah. She's like, where are they coming from? And where are you going to? I like that idea with the mice.
I'm trying to keep
We
killing
should
and
try. We should
entertaining.
try birds. What do you say?
We should. I just.
Oh,
made-
wait. She's like, don't take away my prize. I love it. Like, where did it go? Is it under the rug? Rug.
She's like, where the frick did that go?
Let's get it.
Stop. Oh, she scratched you.
She scratched me. Look at it. She scratched me earlier because I called her fat, and she scratched me for
That.
Don't tell her that.
Killing enough that. She's giving me the bombastic side eye. She's like, I just need one to go on my hand.
Such a cute face. So innocent, but she is vicious. Don't be fooled. She's a killer. Killy and silly. All right, bye.